Little sea snail. Go, buddy, go. Oh my god, it feels so weird.
Let's go in. Candace, you're done out here?
Yeah, be there in a minute.
Hey, John, we need to come in. Let's go. Hey, by the way, I have a lot of cake for you.
It actually tickles. Hold on. Hang on. There we go. I'm filming a little snail. He's crawled from my palm all the way up my wrist. It feels so weird. And look at the little antennae, he's so cute.
The holy can make a noise.
I see that. Hang on. I'm just watching him. Look at his little antennae, it's so cute.
Can I see?
Yeah. Be careful picking him up. Are you going to pick him up or are you just going to pet him? Oh, careful, 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 careful. If you pull too hard, you might pull him apart. Okay, hang on. Hang on. John, wait. He's on there good. Here, just put your finger. There we go. Put your finger right in front of him. See if he'll crawl on you.
Look.
He's crawling on you. Look at that. Here, don't push him. Don't push him. Just let him crawl on you. Look at those little antennae. Here. There you go. You're holding the snail. Look at that.
Ooh.
Careful. Careful, don't blow on him like that. John, don't blow on him like that. It might scare him.
He said, what kind of boy is that?
Right? Oh, turn my light. Oh. Light! Wait, no, that's not the light. There we go, light.
I can see good.
Does it feel weird to you?
Yeah.
Kind of tickles.
It's trying going all over your hands.
Mm-hmm. Hold still. I'm still filming him. He's so cute.
Coming off.
What do you say we go put him outside now? I think we should go put him outside.